Hello friends, I'm Shipali Garg. Welcome to BrightChamps, and today I'm come up with a new video and we are going to learn about how you can create a house in Minecraft. So as you all know, Minecraft is known as an incredible open world platform that supports creativity and out of the box thinking, and it allows player to interact freely with anything and everything they might find. So one of our favorite aspects of Minecraft would be building Minecraft houses. As you all know, it is the most important thing to do in a new Minecraft world is build a house. So at night, like monsters like skeletons and zombies will spawn. So you will want a house to safely hide from them as well as serve as a home base for your character. So today in this video we are going to learn about where to build your house and how you can make your own house and how you can make your house beautiful and creatively and without any hassle. Like you can build your own house anywhere you want. Like if you want to build your house on mountain, and whether you want to build a house on ground, so you can build anywhere. Okay, so first of all we will understand like how you can build your house, where you can build your house. So you should build a simple house at your initial spawn location, especially if you plan on playing with friends. So this will give them a safe spot to hang out if they spawn in during night time, and will also serve as a marker so you know where spawn is. So once you get a big deeper into the game, you can make a more elaborate house in your favorite biome. Okay, so now we'll just understand like how you can make a house. So to make any building in Minecraft, you will just need to place blocks to make walls. So place block on top of each other to build up some walls, and make a roof by placing blocks side by side on top. Okay, so most blocks will work for a preliminary house, whether it's dirt, wood or cobblestone. Sand and gravel will also work, but they cannot be used to make a roof, so as they will fall down. So keep in mind that using wood based block will make the buildings acceptable to fire, so we can recommend using straw or other mine blocks also. So let me show you the picture of this. Just give me a minute. Yeah. So here, let me show you the picture of how make a simple use block, and you can create this simple wood based house. Okay, this it looks like this. So as you can see over here, it looks really simple. There is some blocks which you put at the top of each other, and there is a door is also there, and there are some torches, and you can create a simple wood house. Okay, so it looks like this. So basically like we are going to start, like as you all know, like what you can put in your house. Like after putting all this together, you should have a simple area to hide from monsters at night. So what are the basic things you can put in your house? So since your house will serve as your base, so you should at least have a bed, chest, a crafting table and a furnace. Cobblestone or blackstone, everything will be made at your crafting table using the ingredients indicated. Okay, so later on, for more advanced Minecraft gameplay, you will want an enchanting table, bookshelves, and a grindstone. Though most players may opt to have this setup in a different building, these items are used to enchant tools and armor. So you can decorate your house according to your need and according to your creativity. Like once you are able to harvest material easily, you can work on upgrading your house. So you can make concrete by using concrete powder. Like in concrete powder, the things are included like 1 dye, 4 sand, and 4 gravel. To create colorful homes, you can use buckets to create pools of water, and use sand to make glass pens. So you can also use wool to make carpets, and even decorate your walls with paintings and with great uh, beautiful and decorative items. Okay, so let's start with something like so as you can see, like that's the magic of Minecraft, and that's what we are going to explore. Like the first step to build the house, that is build your walls. Okay, so we are going to build a basic house. So if you want to build a basic house, so first step is that is build your walls. So you can just place blocks down on top of each other to make walls. The height and length of your walls will depend on how many blocks you put down vertically and horizontally. So you can use most any block for walls, like dirt, sand, wood, gravel, or cobblestone. So bear in mind though that wood-based block will make a building more susceptible to fire. Okay, the second step is to make a roof. So once your walls are finished, you can create a roof by placing blocks on top of them. Make sure to lay them side by side. As with walls, you can use almost any material. However, you cannot use sand or gravel for the roof because they will collapse. Okay, so next step is to add the doors. So doors can be made through crafting. You will need 6 planks of any building material. Arrange them in the first 2 columns of the crafting table in a 2 by 3 formation. So you can make as many as needed and as many as your resources will allow. Okay, and the last thing, the last step, that is don't forget to light up your house. You know what, like monsters spawn in darkness, so remember to add plenty of torches in and around your house. So torches are fairly easy to craft too. All you need is 1 stick and 1 coal, or you can take 1 stick and 1 charcoal, either will work. Okay, so let me show you how how you can just arrange the components in the crafting table to get your torch. Okay, just wait, let me just share my screen with you. Yeah, as you can see, this is the picture of the torch. Like if you want to craft the torch, so you should remember, like it should mandatory, like the stick should be in the middle of the square, and the charcoal or the coal, whatever you are taking, it should be above to the stick. Okay, so it should look like this. Okay, so like this you can just create a simple house. And let me show you, this is this is the example of some beautiful houses. This is look like a farmhouse. Okay, so you can create something like this. And wait, let me wait, stop share. Yeah, so like this you can create your house. There are so many beautiful house you can create. And so next, last step is the furnish your house. This is the most important steps. Now that you have a safe space, you should consider adding stuff to it to make it safer and more convenient, like a real home. So crafting some chest for storage can help you stock up on more items and resources. So like having a bed of your own can help you with your rest and spawn point, and having a furnace in your home can be great for preparing food and crafting other miscellaneous blocks. So you can craft a bed using 3 wool blocks and 3 planks annual. Let me show you how it looks like. Wait. Yes, so it look like this. If you want to create a bed, so there is 3 wool planks over here, and 3 like 3 wool planks you can take. So by taking this thing you can create a bed. Okay, so like this you can create it. So this is a way to create a simple bed. So when as you advance, so you will want to look into tools and items like enchanting tables and greenstone. But you know what, seeing as this is the basic home building tutorial, a bed, a furnace and some chest will require for now. So the last step, that is the decoration and finishing touches. So once you are in a position where you can easily harvest materials and resources to the point where you have vantage point gives you a significant advantage against any enemies and mobs that come a calling. Okay, so this is the simple Minecraft farmhouse, and that's actual living quarter can be as simple as over the top as you had liked it to be. So let me show you another picture of a beautiful house. Wait. So as you can see, this is the wood house, 3-story wood house. You can also create this house and it looks really beautiful. And as you can see over here, there's a grass is also there, backyard is also there, big trees behind the houses there, clouds and each and everything you can build over here. There are so many rooms in this house. It looks like a hotel, but it's a home basically. So you can also create this beautiful home, and in this you want the most basic of material like blocks, that is wood, glass panes and maybe a cobblestone roof. So when they think mansion or a house that equally as big and sprawling, they think more complicating building blocks are needed. So concrete, sandstone, stone bricks and obsidian. So it's not necessary you want just basic material like wood, glass planes and maybe cobblestone. Okay, so let me show you another beautiful house. So as you can see, it is a blue suburban house. It looks really beautiful. There is a grass is also there, a park you can see at the behind of the house. There is a mountain is also there, and If you want a modern build without going full contemporary, a full urban, why not hit the best? Okay, so suburban home in Minecraft is completely doable. White trim, sunny blue walls, street facing garage door, and all. So this is a it looks it's a result. It's really a great house. So, the tall stone foundation and raised porch are absolutely perfect, but it's really just the highly saturated blue walls that get us. So, it's if you want 3 floor of spacious, well-lit interior and all the modern comforts a Minecraft player could want, so try your hand at building a modern Minecraft suburb. So I hope you like this, the most amazing houses which you can build in your Minecraft world, and it looks really amazing. So I think I have done with all the things. So just to do one thing, mention in the comment like which is your best house, which house you really like and you wish to create in your Minecraft world. So I hope I have cleared all the things. So if you have any query, so you can just comment me in the section, and please watch this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. So bye bye, take care, have a nice day.